Are you running a Viber community and need to keep your members engaged, organized, or on topic? Learn the essential tools and steps to effectively manage your community's participants, from inviting new members to moderating their contributions. So, what you want to do is, from the Viber app, go to your community. There, swipe left or tap on the community name to open up the options menu. Scroll down to the Members tab. Here, to invite someone from the contacts list, tap on the Invite option. To invite someone as an admin or to assign the admin role to someone in the community, tap on the Add Admins button. If you want others who might not be in your contacts list to join the community, you can also share your community link. To see all the members in your community, tap on the Show All button in the Members tab. To check out the options you have with individual members, tap on any one of the usernames. From there, you'll be able to assign them to roles, along with other options like removing them or banning them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.